Seattle, Washington rises between saltwater and snow-capped peaks, a city shaped by rain, resilience, and restless creativity. Set along Puget Sound with Mount Rainier watching from the horizon, Seattle blends natural beauty with bold urban energy. Its culture is rooted in native heritage, maritime history, and waves of innovation. The city gave the world grunge through bands like Nirvana, while its coffee culture, sparked by the first Starbucks at Pike Place Market, turned daily ritual into global identity. Downtown Seattle pulses with glass towers and historic brick facades. The iconic Space Needle, built for the 1962 World's Fair, still defines the skyline, joined by architectural landmarks like the Seattle Central Library. Pike Place Market remains the heart of tradition, where fishmongers toss salmon and local artisans sell handmade crafts. Neighborhoods like Capitol Hill and Ballard reflect diverse communities, tech talent, and immigrant roots. Finance and technology drive modern development. Global giants like Amazon and Microsoft helped transform Seattle into a powerhouse of innovation, attracting startups and international investment. Skyscrapers rise as light rail expands, connecting a fast-growing population. Seattle, Washington sits in the Pacific Northwest between Puget Sound and Lake Washington, framed by the Olympic Mountains and the Cascade Range. Dominated by the presence of Seattle and watched over by Mount Rainier, its geography defines its identity. Evergreen forests, deep waterways, and a mild, rain-washed climate that keeps the region intensely green year-round. Historically, the city grew from indigenous Coast Salish lands into a timber and port hub in the 19th century. The Klondike Gold Rush accelerated its expansion, while shipbuilding and aerospace led by Boeing cemented its industrial strength. As part of the United States federal system, Seattle operates within Washington state's political framework, known for progressive policies, environmental leadership, and strong civic engagement. Local politics often focus on housing affordability, climate action, and technology regulation. Tourism thrives on landmarks like the Space Needle, Pike Place Market, and waterfront ferries crossing Puget Sound. Business transformed the skyline with global companies such as Amazon and Microsoft, while figures like Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos shaped its global reputation. With dense forests, clean energy goals, and a culture of invention, the Emerald City continues evolving, balancing growth with nature under its iconic gray skies.